Hey, this is John from DV Home Inspections out of Navarre, Florida. We service the Emerald Coast. We service Escambia, Santa Rosa, and Okaloosa counties. We perform all types of inspections: general home inspection for those who are buying homes, 4-point inspections and wind mitigation inspections for your insurance needs, whether you've got a slab on grade, whether you've got manufactured homes, those kinds of things. We're here and we're readily available. One thing that sets us apart is that we are veteran owned and we cater to our military community in this area. So all military are going to receive a 10% discount on all inspections. We use thermal imaging on all of our inspections. We use drone photography. And the other thing that you get with DV Home Inspections is basically a consultant. You're not going to receive just a report. It's going to get pitched into your email and then you never get to talk to anybody again. We're always going to be available to answer any of your questions at any time to make sure that you understand exactly what you're getting with your home and what actions you need to take going forward to make your transaction as smooth as possible. If you're interested in receiving a home inspection, you can give us a call at 850-710-0117, or you can reach us via our website, www.dvhomeinspections.com. And we're also out on social media, so check us out: Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can find us by searching DV Home Inspections or Inspector DV. Hey, this is John with DV Home Inspections, and we're going to be out at the Home Sweet Home block party in Pensacola, Florida this summer. I want you to come on out and check us out. If you're looking to buy a home, you're interested in buying a home, there's going to be all kinds of vendors out there, including myself. You'll be able to get all kinds of information from those vendors and all kinds of information from me regarding home inspections. We're going to have all kinds of swag to give away. We're going to have little things for the kids, coloring books and stuff like that. So it's going to be a great time. Come on out.